Hello again at the Wawazen Waterwall School. Today I want to show you something incredible and yeah, because I would never thought that this is possible. So what you see here is a pretty beautiful big thread fountain, and it has around about 150 threads. So we did the testing in the workshop and all the threads um, had water, and it worked pretty well. But then on the construction side, when we started to run the fountain, guess what? Um, we had about 5, 6, 7 threads kept being dry. So it looked like the pumps suddenly didn't have the power to supply all the threads with water, and we couldn't understand how how this is possible, because we had exactly the same situation like in the workshop. And yeah, I'm going to tell you the secret. It was this lamp which was also connected to the cable reel where we have connected the two pumps. Yes, actually it was two pumps, and I never would have thought that if you put another consumer on a cable reel, that then the other consumers, which in this case the two pumps, would lose power. And it was really like that, that after we have removed the lamp here, the threads were wet again and had water again. So yeah, maybe if you are in electricity and if you know how such thing works, well, I would never had thought that if you put a lamp, which is a pretty powerful lamp, on a cable reel, that this would weaken the pumps. So if you are on a construction site and you wonder why suddenly your pumps don't have the power you expected them to have it, or you have tested them with, maybe you have another consumer on the same electricity supply which is weakening the pumps. So maybe this helps you. For me, it was pretty fascinating. Um, yeah, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel or visit wawazen.net. There we have a free course for you where you learn how to build water walls, and we have also a business partnership. So if you want to make money with water walls, you're very welcome. Maybe we will see each other as business partners. Thank you. Bye bye.